Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting practical. Define 1 to 3 clear goals that a mentor can help you reach, because vague asks get vague help. Once done, compile a list of 10 potential mentors across industries and your network. Prioritize based on relevance and accessibility. Then draft a concise outreach. A 2-line opener and a single paragraph stating what you seek, when you're available, and how you can add value. This makes your first contact actionable and respectful of their time. Next, make contact with intent. If possible, request a warm introduction. If not, send a personalized message explaining the connection and your specific ask. Make it easy. Offer a 20 to 30-minute call or coffee and propose 2 concrete date and time options. During the first meeting, use 2 to 3 focused questions that reveal fit and potential impact and explain a short follow-up plan. This builds rapport, demonstrates respect for their time, and surfaces early alignment. Finally, formalize the relationship. Agree on a meeting cadence, monthly, biweekly, or ad hoc, and set 3 to 6 month review checkpoints so progress is visible. Make each meeting efficient by preparing a short agenda and 2 to 3 action items, and track outcomes in a shared document. If communication stalls, address it quickly. Clarify expectations, ask if timing or format is the issue, and propose alternatives like shorter check-ins or email updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.